Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn in another new AI video. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial that's going to level up your branding game. In this video, I am going to show you how to create professional logo with free AI logo maker. Not only logos, you can create endless images for free using this tool. So let's get started. First, go browser and search for ideogram. We need to create an account through Gmail. Click the Sign Up with Google button to create an account. Select the checkbox and click the Continue button. Enter a unique username for your account and click the Complete Registration button. Once the account creation is done, you will see this homepage. After coming here, you will see unlimited images and logo creation. You can customize them. If you want to create the logo, we need some prompts. If you can write the prompts yourself, that's great. Otherwise, you can generate some ideas from ChatGPT. Let's generate some prompts from ChatGPT. Just click Enter ChatGPT. We'll give you some prompts that you can customize to create the logo. Okay, our prompt is ready. Copy anyone you like, then go back to ideogram and paste it to search bar. Now select logo style, select aspect ratio. Once done, click on Generate button. It will take 5 to 10 seconds to complete. Okay, this is our AI generated logo. It's cool. For better, you can write the good prompts for better results. Click on your favorite to download it, then hit the download button. Okay, now we will try to another prompt. You must choose the right category, then you will get a better result from here. You can create high-quality images in addition to logos, and the best thing is that from here you can create unlimited images for free. I will suggest you to check it once. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and let us know how you like this free AI logo maker tool. If you benefited from the video, please give a like and subscribe the channel.